Hey there Lemon Kun fam, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm beyond excited to share with you my family's absolute favorite recipe, our weekly indulgence, delicious fudge brownies. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one, so let's get started. First things first, grab a 6 by 6 inches pan, grease it well and layer it with parchment paper. Making sure to leave a little extra paper hanging over the edges. This will help you to lift the brownies out easily after baking. Now let's mix our dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, place a sieve and add all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Sift them together and give it a good mix. Next, add some roughly chopped dark or milk chocolate. You can use chocolate chips too, but if you're a chocoholic like me, you definitely won't skip this step. In another bowl, take some dark or milk chocolate chunks, add some warm oil. We are using oil, but feel free to use butter if you prefer. Just make sure the oil has no fragrance, let it sit for 2 minutes, then mix well and set it aside. Before we move on, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Next, in another mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs, add powdered sugar and vanilla essence. Beat it until the sugar dissolves, but be careful not to overbeat. We don't want a cakey texture. Then add the melted chocolate mixture and beat it again. Now it's time to combine everything. Add the dry ingredients in 2 or 3 parts and mix using the cut and fold method with the help of a spatula. Don't overmix, transfer the batter into a greased pan. Tap it on the counter 6 to 7 times to remove any air bubbles and use a toothpick or skewer to further get rid of any remaining bubbles. This step is crucial for that perfect crinkle top. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Check if they are done by inserting a toothpick or skewer into the center. It should come out clean or just with a few moist crumbs. I can't wait. And there you have it. Let the brownies cool for a few minutes, then remove them from the pan and cut into 4 pieces or more if you prefer. You can garnish with hazelnut or a chocolate spread. It's totally optional. Try this foolproof recipe and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until our next recipe, keep baking, keep smiling.